To install Hoxx on Android, make sure you search for Hoxx on the Google PlayStore and install the latest version, which is 4.6.6 at the moment of making this video. Install and open. I'll select English, which is the only available language at the moment of making this video. Create an account and register. Choose your preferred location and that's it. You're now surfing the web anonymously with an IP address from your preferred location. You can confirm this with any IP address checker. We actually have one built right in here. And we can see that indeed we have a US IP address in this case. Let's go back to the Hoxx app, disconnect, and select a Japanese IP address. And if we check again, we see that we now have a Japanese IP.